Hey guys, Bill here, Angry Ginger Guitars, and she is done! Strap hooked up, she's all strung up and set up and parts installed and everything like that. These are GFS parts, including the tuners, the bridge, all of this stuff, the solid brass. It gives all kinds of nice extra weight to it, and it's got a good balance. There's no neck dive on it. I love this thing. The action's a little higher than most people would probably like it. I like it. I'm very heavy-handed. I dig in when I play, and it kind of suits that playing style. So, in the spirit of most of the videos that I make and most of the videos that are out there, obviously you want to hear it. Now, I don't have the ability to crank a tube amp in my house. I'm connected to others. I don't have the setup for that. So we decided to go full digital on this one. I plug in through a Scarlett Solo interface into my laptop into traction waveform. I don't put much processing on it. I go through the Amplitube VST, which is the amp modeling. So it's basically Fender cleans and Marshall overdrives and heavy distortions, a little extra oomph in there. So let me know what you think, and I'll be back after, and we'll talk about final impressions on the guitar. Thanks, guys. Well, there you have it. Sound test, sound demos done. The overall impression of this guy, I love it. She is, by no stretch of the imagination, a shred machine. The neck has a little bit of a chunk to it. Not a bad thing. It's very, very comfy in the hand, but it's not your, thin wizard necks or anything like that. So I'm not going to be shredding and blazing fast. This is not a metal machine. This is a rocker, I would say. She's got great clean tones. Has a good amount of grit to it, a little bit of oomph. It doesn't take a whole lot to really get that good crunch out of her. So, I'm loving it. I'm loving everything about it. You can coax those metal tones if you need to, but she's definitely not built for it. So I could not be happier with this. This is one of the most fun kits I've built. She's going to be my main for a while. I say for a while because as a very, very good friend has pointed out to me, you've heard his music here, Justin DiPaola, let me know that I don't marry guitars, I date them. And I have a horrible habit of going back to my exes, so I kind of jump around and play different guitars at different times and re-fall in love. So thank you guys, though, for being with me on this journey. It has been an awesome one. I can't wait to do more. In fact, I have a new project lined up after this. Plus, I want to do some more demos of GFS pickups, because that's what's in this guy. These are the vintage 59s, I believe. I believe 59s, 57s. I gotta look it up. I'm sure I'll put text up here correcting myself. But the Alnico 5s, I love these. And I love the tone of it. They're clear, they're articulate. And I would love to do more demos of more GFS pickups. I've got the Me90, I've got the Crunchy Pad, the Fat Pad, I've got the VEH. I'd love to do some more demos. Let me know what you think, what you'd like to hear, what you'd like to see. But new project, hopefully coming soon. Not building, it's going to be a refurbish, but we'll get to that in a bit. Thank you guys again. Bill here, Angry Ginger Guitars. Take it easy, keep building, have a good one.